Welcome back to Network Profits, everyone. We are working on a video series called Introduction to GNS3, the quick and dirty version. In this video series, what we're doing is giving a quick overview on GNS3, what it is and what it brings to the table in terms of network simulation. Also, we're working through installing, configuring, and actually running the GNS3 network simulator within a GNS3 virtual machine. Okay, we've gone through parts 1 through 4. This is the final part of this series. And in this video, we're going to install the client. Finally, we've done all the prerequisites. And then we're going to launch the client. We're going to pair it to the GNS3 virtual machine. And then we're going to install a virtual appliance, our first virtual appliance. So sit back, get your coffee or whatever you drink, and enjoy. Let's dig in. Now, if you recall, early on we downloaded the GNS3 client, and again, I want to state this: when I downloaded and installed and started working through this series, GNS3 version 2.11 was the common version, the stable version in production. As of this particular video, it's 2.12. I'm working with 2.2.11. You're going to be working with 2.2.12 or whatever the version is that you're working with. And that's fine. Again, we're working with the Windows 10 GNS3 implementation. So first things first, we're going to navigate to the folder where you've stored the download. Again, for me, it's GNS3 2.2.11. It's an all-in-one installer. So when you launch it, it's going to install all of the prerequisites, the GUI, right? It installs the client. It also installs Wireshark and other tools to manage and run the software. Okay, so let's go on and launch it and follow along. Okay, so we have configured R1, we're configuring R2. Once that's finished, we're going to ping from R1 to R2 just to make sure we've established connectivity. This is a small topology. We're just using two open source routers that come from the FRR project, the link to which will be in the description of this video. And with that, we're going to bring to a close the introduction to GNS3, the quick and dirty version. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I hope they've been informative and given you a quick, brief, but helpful introduction to the network simulator known as GNS3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I look forward to more of these with you. Hit me up in the comment section. Let's communicate and have some dialogue. Let's have fun. Until next time, thanks a lot.